being trained up how to satisfy Krishna. That is Krishna Consciousness movement. Don't do anything for your personal sense gratification. Do everything for Krishna's sense gratification. That's why the gopis, they used to go to Krishna. These gopis, they were married. Because in India, 12 years, 13 years girls are married. Still. I've told many incidences. So, from childhood, they are friends, small children. But the girls are married early. So, they go to their husband's place, 13, 14 years. But, because they paid the Katyayani, when they are not married, they pray to Katyayani that Krishna is so beautiful, please give me Krishna as my husband. Krishna is all attractive. So Krishna fulfills their desire, and that is Vastrana. Of course, these things are not publicly discussed, but still you are little interested in Krishna. So all the gopis, girls, before they are married, they prayed to Katyayani that give me Krishna as my husband. So, Krishna, it was not possible socially. Krishna made such a plan that he accepted every one of them as his wife. And that is Vastrana lila. Vastrana lila, the girls were taking bath in the Jamuna, keeping their clothing, garments on the shore. Still in India, especially in Punjab, the practice is that when the women take bath, strictly no man can go there because they put their clothing on the shore and they dip into the water naked. So, this was being done and Krishna took their clothing and got up on the tree. So, they begged Krishna, their friends, Krishna, this is very bad. Why you have taken our no, you beg the clothes with folded hands, then I tell you. So, you have read this story, it does not require. But the idea is that you wanted me, all of you, as your husband. Now I am fulfilling your desire. I am seeing you naked. Because a woman can be naked only before the husband. Nowhere else. This is chastity. A woman cannot be naked anywhere else, just like in the class naked dance. This is most above.